In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji stickers after your name on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to make your profile stand out, look more fun, and add a little personality to your display name. Whether you want a star, a heart, a check mark, or any other emoji, you can do it in just a minute or two. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X or Twitter and go to your profile. On mobile, tap your profile icon. On desktop, click your profile picture or open your profile page directly. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button near the top right of your profile section. Tap or click that button to open your profile settings. Now you'll see different fields you can update, including your name, bio, and more. To add an emoji after your name, tap or click the name text box. This is the field where your display name appears. Move your cursor to the end of your name, right after the last letter, and this is where you'll place the emoji. If you're using Windows, there's a very easy shortcut you can use. Press Windows and the period key at the same time, so Windows plus dot. This opens the emoji picker on your screen. From here, you can browse through emojis, search for one you want, and then click it to insert it into your name. You can choose one emoji or even add multiple emojis if you want to style your name more creatively. If you're on a different device, you can also use your system emoji keyboard or copy and paste an emoji from another source. The important part is that the emoji appears directly after your name in the name field. Once you've added the emoji and you're happy with how it looks, double check everything before saving. Make sure the spelling is correct, the emoji is in the right spot, and your display name looks the way you want it to. Then tap or click Save Changes to update your profile. After saving, go back to your profile and refresh the page if needed. You should now see the emoji added after your name on X or Twitter. This is a simple trick, but it can make your profile feel more unique and eye-catching right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to add emoji stickers after your name on x.com or Twitter. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.